Hello everyone, welcome back. Whittaker Five Kingdom Classification. Very early, scientists classified the living organisms under different categories. Some biologists classified those organisms into plants and animals. Ernest Haeckel, Robert Whittaker, and Carl Woese. These biologists who attempted a broader system of classification. Among these, the Five Kingdom classification, which is proposed by Robert Whittaker, stood out and it is widely used. In 1969, Robert Whittaker proposed this Five Kingdom system of classification in which all organisms are placed into five kingdoms. Whittaker proposed these organisms should be broadly divided into kingdoms based on certain characters like the structure of the cell, mode of nutrition, source of nutrition, interrelationship, body organization, and reproduction. The five kingdom classification, which include Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera, which are unicellular prokaryotes. Example, bacteria and archaea. Protista are unicellular eukaryotes. Examples are algae and protozoa. Fungi, plantae, and animalia are multicellular eukaryotes. They are fungi are in kingdom fungi, plants are in kingdom plantae, animals are in kingdom animalia. Next is kingdom Monera. These are organisms are prokaryotic and unicellular. They do not have a well-defined nucleus and also lack cell organelles. Some organism which shows the presence of cell wall while others are without a cell wall. Consequently, some organisms are autotrophic and others are heterotrophic. Examples include bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. And the next one is kingdom Protista. These are grouped under kingdom Protista and all are unicellular but eukaryotic organism. These are the simplest form of eukaryotic and they are exhibit either autotrophic or heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And some organisms have appendages such as cilia or flagella or pseudopodia for movement. Examples are diatom, protozoan like amoeba and paramecium. And the next one is the kingdom fungi. They are heterotrophic, multicellular and eukaryotic organisms. Their mode of nutrition is saprophytic and they are using decaying organic matter as food. They have a cell wall which are made up of a substance called chitin. These fungi also form a symbiotic association with some blue-green algae. Examples are yeast, mushroom, aspergillus or some examples of kingdom fungi. And the next one is the kingdom plantae. These are eukaryotic multicellular organism and their cell wall is made up of cellulose. They are autotrophs and they can able to synthesize their own food by a process called photosynthesis. This kingdom mainly includes all plants. Based on their body differentiation and presence or absence of specialized vascular tissue, this kingdom Plantae is divided into different divisions, namely Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Examples are Spirogyra, ferns, pines and mango plants. And the next one is the kingdom Animalia. This kingdom mainly include multicellular eukaryotic without the presence of cell wall and they have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some organisms are simple and while some have a complex body with specialized tissue differentiation and body organs. The animal kingdom is divided into mainly phyla and classes. Some of the phyla are Porifera, Coelenterata, Arthropoda and Echinodermata and Chordata. Examples are hydra, starfish, earthworms, monkeys, birds, etc. Viruses are not included in the five kingdom system of classification because they do not have a cells since they are acellular. Each kingdom consists of a division or phyla, which in turn they are divided into classes, orders, families, genera and species. In such cases, the species are again subdivided into subspecies, their names consisting of a genus, a specific epithet, and a subspecific epithet which is abbreviated as SSP. And examples would be Haemophilus influenza subspecies aegyptius. This is the most common cause of pink eye. Although Whittaker five kingdom system of classification has a popular classification system for the past 30 years. This is the comparative chart for Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia based on their cell type, nucleus, body organization and mode of nutrition. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned.